There are a lot of hit or miss type thunderstorms that continue to bubble up all across Arizona this evening. I gotta tell you, I was stressing about this all last night. I know there are going to be riots in the streets if we don't get some rain here in the valley. So fingers crossed. Last year on this date, we set a record of 112. So all in all, 102 is not half bad. We move into your Saturday, 7 a.m. You are getting ready maybe to have a yard sale, or you're grabbing your morning cup of coffee. We are seeing isolated showers around Pine Top. See this little cinnamon roll right over California? This is an area of low pressure, and that's pushing this dry southwesterly flow in our direction. Tomorrow, a repeat performance of those storms with a high of 103. And an outflow boundary acts like a mini cold front, so there is a potential that if this interacts with enough moisture as it moves off to the northwest, we could see a couple of thunderstorm cells develop, maybe push off into the valley. So we're keeping a close eye on that. You headed out to the pool today? We are looking at 92 by 10 a.m. just after sunrise. There's a live look from our Phoenix cam. A lot of cloud cover out there. It is feeling a little bit humid, and all of that's keeping our temperatures pretty warm this morning. We are seeing quite a few thunderstorm cells just popping up and dumping copious amounts of rain. Our strongest storms right now look like they're to the northeast of Flagstaff. Let's take a live look outside. Live pictures, in fact, out of Flagstaff. This is unusually dry, though, in all honesty, for this time of year. I mean, even our humidity is incredibly low. It shouldn't be this low right now. Have you ever wanted to jump in a pile of Legos?
No, but you can do it now live. How about a Lego angel? Be the first, Kimmy.
A Lego angel?
Great idea.
Let me see. Hold on.
See, you've got shorts. You can do this. Ow.
Ow, they kind of hurt. This is kind of gross. If you're having breakfast, I'm sorry. And there you have it. So this is what your kids get to learn about in terms of your insides at the Sesame Street exhibit. I'm sorry, that was totally inappropriate for this morning. Good morning. The time is 8:10, and you are looking at a time lapse from the Arizona Science Center, courtesy of our 360 network. You can see a lot of cloud cover out there. We had a little bit of shower activity around 5 this morning. Now we are just eagerly awaiting more raindrops. If we don't get them soon, I'm probably going to have to go into hiding. Here's a look at Doppler 360. You can see it is pretty quiet across the valley, but we are starting to get some rain. It looks like just to the west of Avondale. Also have some reports of some rain showers falling in Wickenburg. So your headlines across Arizona for this Sunday. Thanks to what is now Tropical Depression Evo and our monsoon, it's going to be a sloppy Sunday. We're talking about a ½ inch to 2 inches of rain today. The heaviest stuff is going to fall across western Arizona. We do have flash flood watches in effect. Those are going to be to the west outside of the Phoenix metro area. And afternoon highs across the valley will not escape the 90s. So even if we don't get a whole lot of rain, at least we have the cooler temperatures. Glass half full. Doppler 360 shows we continue to see this moisture ride from south to north. We're watching another plume of moisture move into the valley over the next hour or so. Eventually this rain is going to start to pick up, but you can see the heaviest stuff is going to be to the north of Phoenix, indicated in those reds right around 9 a.m. We move into about 12 lunchtime. You can see still the heaviest rain moving right around Flagstaff, but this time the Phoenix metro area looks like they're going to get in on some heavy rain. And then we move into about midnight. Most of the rain shower activity is going to be across the California-Arizona border, as well as looks like the Nevada border, and then across northern Arizona. And then we move into back to work, back to reality Monday. You can see most of the area is going to be pretty quiet, just dealing with a lot of that cloud cover. So the heaviest stuff, I'm thinking, is going to come around lunchtime or so. Highs today for downtown Phoenix, 91 degrees. Normal for this time of year is 104, so we will take it. 94 in Scottsdale, looks like 92 for Mesa, 92 for Queen Creek. Chandler, you should top out at 92 degrees on the West Valley, 90 in Litchfield Park, and 89 in Surprise. So here's your day planner. By 10 a.m., 86 degrees in the valley, a 30% chance of rain. By lunchtime, a 60% chance of rain, a temperature of 89, and by 4 o'clock, a 70% chance of rain. So the rain's going to be scattered. It could be heavy at times. We could have some localized flooding. We're looking at that high of 91 degrees. As we move into tonight, those showers are going to decrease. And check out that low, not bad, 79 degrees. Your 3-day forecast shows for Monday a high of only 100. During the afternoon, we'll have a 40% chance of showers and storms. They're going to be pretty scattered. And then by Tuesday, our shower and storm chances decrease down to 20%, and we're up to 104.